Jacob Zuma is the only president in the history of this country that has delivered something for the poor. The fact that our people abuse social grants to go and sip and sign tip by the merchant is not Jacob Zuma's fault. Social grants were delivered by Jacob Zuma. You know, when that man came into the seat, South Africans were dying of a simple disease called HIV. Thabo Mbeki denied that there was such a thing. They said that the country couldn't afford antiretrovirals to save poor lives. Zuma came in his first month in office. He sat down with the finance people. He said, I don't care where you find it. Poor people are dying. 3 months later, we were rolling out life-saving treatment. You don't see a funeral every day anymore. That is what Jacob Zuma did for this country. They will smear him with Nkandla for the rest of his life. And you know what? I think it's fair criticism. We've never had a perfect president. But if you ask me on whose side I stand, I always stand with the poor. The president we have at the moment has no time for the poor. Yes. They will talk about the 300 million of Nkandla, and they will speak about 9 wasted years, as if 600 billion did not disappear during COVID. They don't talk about this. This is what happens when you are a president for white people and the white-owned media. Yes. I have chosen my side. I ask you to be on the side of the right. MK is not Jacob Zuma. MK is a collective. They've got 7 PhDs in there. These are not stupid people. This is why Ramaphosa and the DA fear MK.